What's up, you guys? It's Watch the Swagger here. Finally, back to SMG4. 2 weeks. Back. And anyways, welcome back for another SMG4 newest video. And today, we are going to be reacting to, it's SMG4. Mario goes to the fridge to get a glass of milk. You think that's the best SMG4 video you could get, Luke? That's the best you get? I don't know. This is gonna be good. I think this video is going to be good. I hope. Let's see where these faces come. Let's see how fun face we get. Let's see how we get. Anyways, you want to see more? Like, comment down below, subscribe, and notification bell button below. And anyways, yeah, let's do this right now. In 3, 2, 1, and go. Glitch Productions, SMG4. One day at Mario's house, having his biscotti. Okay, that's one face. How did you get in the fridge? Oh, out of milk. Time to go to the grocery store. Ooh, Poto Wolf. Oh, hey, Shroomy. Ooh. Ouchie. What's up, Shroomy? Only one more left to go. No second whole fight. Wait, who's that? Hey, Toad! Toad is here. Mario versus Toad. Who will win? Uh-oh. Huh. Ouchie. Ow! It's like a car explosion. There was the eyes again. Uh-oh, Donkey Kong. Shoot. Well, what now? Ooh! Ouchie. Well, Toad, I think it was you. Ouchie. And also Toad his face. Hey, Luigi. Moo milk. Uh-oh. I thought it was the vagina mouth too. Oh, come on. That's disturbing. Oh, Toad. Toad, you're the worst one than Luigi. Paul the SpongeBob fish. Toad, quit doing that. Why is he making that face? Oh, wow. Okay, that's much creepier, Toad. Oh, now that's super creepier now. Ooh. Uh-oh, now you drag Mario. Ouchie. What? Oh, man. Well, that was a bunch of wide. Oh no, my milk. It's because of Toad, who made the whole fun faces, and Mario, your face is from on Luigi's window. Yeah, Grief Hill. You bet. What? Did Toad just do a creepy smile? Moo Moo Milk, S 2010. No. Toad, you creepy smile. Quit doing like Michael or something. You look like you got from Scary Movie. That's what it is. Sorry about that. I'm just asking. Ooh, Milky. Ooh, banana.
Just got a little bit harder. Come here, fish.
Why the milks I have have arms and legs? I never see them like that before. Well, I think some. Huh? Jeeves! Jeeves is it? Jeeves! Yay! Yeah. Did it. Oh. Milky Boy. Uh-oh. What for your lives? What for your lives? Now! Oh. Uh-oh. Seriously? I'm warning ya. I agree with SpongeBob if it's... Man. Never see that toe got shot. One Mario. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. One Mario. Ugh. Shoot. Ooh, you are so dead now. Oh. Whoa. Never seen anything like Jeeves get angry like that before. Hey, Steve.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Steve. Hey, look, the cows. Wait, does Steve still have his means phone from the Mario's road trip? I think. I will kick your butt to the sky, Toad, and also that face. Who's a good boy? Time to get some cow to the milk. Oh. Oh ho ho! Whoa, that face! Oh, hell cow! Oh no! Oh! Well, bye, Toad. That's what you get for giving me the horrifying faces from this one. I like Steve House playing this Jumbo. I mean, I like it. This is a nice episode they're making, wasn't it? Really? I never seen any cow be a police officer before. Uh-oh. What's it now, Jeeves? Okay. Okay then. Why are you running, mister? Get back here! You better get back! You gotta get back here! Yay, we got Spike from MLP Fresh of His Magic! Yay! uh, never see anything like this! Holy shoot! Do something? Here we go. Cows versus milk. Ooh. Ouchie. Oh. Oh, yes, you finally free toe. Now let's get out of here. Yeah, where you going? Ooh. Post Steve. Uh-oh. Crap. Bye, Jeeves. Bye, Cal. Now, let's go.
War never changes.
Ooh, looks like Steve is gonna get some revenge. Moo moo milk. Ouchie. So we finally got the milk, so what now? Guys? So... Oh my goodness. Idiots! Anyways, thanks for watching. That was so good. Anyways, if you want to see more, like, comment down, subscribe, and knock a notification bell button. Thanks for 211 subscribers. I will see you guys next video with another reaction. And also, before I go, thanks for the whole fine faces. It just got too little chickly and chickly more. I just give up. Anyways, yeah, if you want to see more, like, comment down, subscribe, and knock the notification bell button below. Don't miss my videos. And I will see you guys next video. And also, I might make another live stream later, but not today, but I'm doing it tomorrow. So I will see you guys in another live stream tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Like, watch the swagger. Peace out. Yeah!